Hi everyone. Looking for a fresh domain or ready to move your current one to a new home? The process has changed a bit in 2026. Today, I'm showing you how to go from searching for your dream domain to finding your EPP authorization code in the GoDaddy portfolio. Let's jump in. Step 1. Searching for your desired domain. Start by heading to Google and searching for GoDaddy domains. Click through to their main search tool. Type in the name you're looking for. If your first choice is taken, GoDaddy's AI will suggest similar high-value alternatives. Once you find the one, add it to your cart and complete the checkout to officially own it. Step 2. Accessing your domain portfolio. Now let's say you're ready to move that domain. Log in to your account and click on your profile name to select My Products. Under the Domains section, click Manage All. This takes you to your domain portfolio, the central hub for all your web addresses. Select the domain you want to move. If you don't see the code immediately, click the Transfer to Another Registrar button under the Domain settings. In 2026, GoDaddy includes a mandatory security checklist here. Review the steps, ensure your domain lock is off, and then click Continue with Transfer. Because domain theft is a real risk, GoDaddy will now ask for identity verification. If you have two-step verification active, enter the code from your SMS or Authenticator app. Once verified, you'll see a button that says, "Click here to see authorization code." Copy that code. This is your golden ticket to finalize the move with your new registrar. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.